Yes, let's do the animal puzzle. Farm animals. Yay, well done. That's a goat. Good. Good job, well done. Now, where is the cow? Moo. Yes. I'll take this one. Where's the cow? Cow? Moo. Cow? Yeah, cow. Well done. Good job. Now, what is it? What's that? What's that? Horsey. Yes. What horsey say? Horsey, yes. What horsey says? Bye-bye, horsey. Oh. Okay. We'll put this horsey here, okay? What horsey says? Neigh. Sheep. That's right. Yeah. Where's the pig? Oh, yes. Pig. Pig. Now shall we sing the song? Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig. What pig says? Oink, 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 oink. Pig. Pig. Do you know what pig says?
Oink, 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 oink.
Yes,
oink,
that's
oink,
right.
oink, oink,
Pig
oink,
says
oink,
oink, oink, oink, oink, oink, oink. Sheep. Sheep. Do you know what sheep says?
Ba, ba.
That's right. Sheep says ba, ba. Horse. Horse. Do you know what horse says?
Neigh.
That's right. Horse says neigh, neigh. Goat. Goat. Do you know what goat says?
Ma, ma.
That's right. Goat says meh, meh. Cow. Cow. Do you know what cow says?
Yes.
What cow says?
Moo, moo.
Yes, that's right. Cow says moo,